You can fully customize when an app can vibrate your phone, but there's one important setting we need to change first. First, we'll go to Settings, scroll down to Notifications, and from there you'll go to Advanced Settings. Towards the bottom, you'll see a toggle for managing notification categories for each app, and that's the toggle you'll want to turn on. This will give you a lot more flexibility when it comes to enabling and disabling anything notification related, including vibration. Then we'll go back, and from the notification settings, we'll go to App Notifications. You'll see a list of all your apps, and you can choose the app you want to prevent from vibrating. Tap the app and then go to Notification Categories. Each app will have slightly different categories available here, and you can tap any of them to turn off vibration for that type of notification. What's cool about this is that you can disable vibration for a certain kind of notifications, but leave it on for others. Some apps will only have a few different notification categories, and some others will have a ton of them. Besides the vibration, you can customize the sound for each type of notification. You can silence certain type of notifications, and you can, for example, choose what is and isn't shown on your lock screen. This is honestly really powerful and lets you fully customize how your phone handles notifications from different apps. If you want to turn off vibration for everything, you can do that too. On some phones, this is under Settings and Accessibility. On my Samsung phone, it's under Sounds and Vibration. I can either turn vibration off completely, system-wide, or I can turn it off for notifications only but leave system vibration on. I can also adjust the vibration intensity, which is pretty nice. And that's how you prevent apps from vibrating your phone. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.